Hey everyone, welcome to Lou Adventure. I'm Lou.
Hey there, welcome to Lou Adventures. I'm Lou and I'm a survivor who's turns life's biggest challenges into the most exciting journeys. After surviving a ruptured aneurysm, I realized that every day is an adventure waiting to unfold. Join me as I explore the world, embrace new experiences, and show you that resilience and joy go hand in hand. So buckle up, hit subscribe, and get ready for some unforgettable moments. Let's make every adventure count. My adventures in life began after surviving ruptured aneurysm. Life has a funny way of changing in an instant. One moment everything was ordinary, and the next I found myself battling a ruptured aneurysm, a fight for survival that would redefine my existence. It was a moment of complete vulnerability where everything I knew about myself was tested in a ways I could never have imagined. But something extraordinary happened during that time. I didn't just survive, I grew. Each day I fought, each moment I stayed alive, I discovered a new version of myself. The scar on my head is more than just a mark, it's a symbol of my resilience, of everything I overcame. Surviving the aneurysm wasn't the end of my story, it was just the beginning of a new chapter. What came after was a series of adventures, both big and small. I became more present, more aware of the preciousness of life. I embraced the simple moments, and at the same time, I chased after the dreams that once seemed impossible. Every day felt like a gift. I didn't just want to exist, I wanted to live. From hiking trails that pushed me physically to traveling to places that made my heart race with excitement. I realized that every adventure, no matter how big or small, was worth embracing. The journey from that moment of rupture to where I am now has been nothing short of transformative. What could have broken me only built me stronger. And with each new adventure, I remind myself the best chapter of my life began the moment I survived the aneurysm. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Your support means the world to me. If you enjoy what you saw, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Your thoughts and feedback keep me going and help this community grow. I'd love to hear from you, so drop a comment and let's chat. Stay tuned for more adventures, and remember, every day is a chance for a new journey. Thanks again for being part of the adventure.